CBS 4 following breaking news as we begin right now at 5. We're anticipating new reaction to charges being filed after a deadly shooting in Whitestown. Those charges stemming from a shooting that left a cleaning woman dead.
The family of the shooting victim is preparing to deliver a statement. It comes after the prosecutor charged Kurt Anderson with voluntary manslaughter. Prosecutors claim he believed his home was being broken into and fired a single shot through his locked front door while standing at the top of the stairs. That claimed the life of Maria Florinda Rios Perez de la Vasquez. Her family is expected to deliver a statement very shortly. We'll bring you that statement later in this newscast.
And that statement, of course, is in reaction to the Boone County prosecutor filing criminal charges of voluntary manslaughter just earlier today.
CBS 4's Jesse Wells explains why the prosecutor says that shooting was not justified under Indiana law.
While Indiana does have strong self-defense laws, there are limits, and in this case, court records filed here in Boone County claim the suspect pulled the trigger without fully understanding what was happening at his front door.
I have a mail on the phone saying, please send the police now, there's somebody breaking in.
Believing his home was being broken into, police radio dispatch confirms a Whitestown man called police earlier this month and fired a single shot through his front door. That shot claimed the life of Maria Florinda Rios Perez de Velasquez, who worked as a cleaning woman and had gone to the wrong address by mistake.
This is a tragedy for everyone involved.
While the initial call came in as a possible home invasion, the prosecutor says the victim never actually entered the home and there were no signs of forced entry. Court records claim Kurt Anderson did not say anything to the victim before firing a shot from the top of his stairs through the locked door.
Based upon the particular evidence and circumstances of this case, we have determined that Kurt Anderson's actions do not fall within the legal protections provided by the Indiana Stand Your Ground law.
They should have called the police first instead of just shooting out of nowhere like that.
Speaking through a translator, the victim's husband previously criticized the shooter's quick trigger.
Together we stand
for Maria's justice.
Friends, family, and some community members also rallied this month outside the prosecutor's office, calling for criminal charges to be filed. The shooter hired prominent gun rights attorney Guy Relford, who posted Indiana's Castle Doctrine on social media, detailing how deadly force can be used to prevent unlawful entry of a home. Still, the actions do have to be reasonable, which the prosecutor insists was not the case in this shooting.
What we're saying is that the Stand Your Ground law does not apply in this case, as Mr. Anderson did not have proper information which would allow him to make the determination that he was reasonable in his actions.
Finally, the suspect is now being held without bond at the Boone County Jail pending his initial court hearing. Jesse Wells, CBS 4 News.
Prominent gun rights attorney Guy Relford is representing Anderson. Relford released a statement this afternoon saying in part, "I will look forward to proving in court that his actions were fully justified by the Castle Doctrine provision of Indiana's self-defense law. We believe Mr. Anderson had every reason to believe his actions were absolutely necessary and fully justified at the time." All right, the attorney